Bonjour.
My name is Monica Leon.
My name is Lisa Gonzalez.
My name is Christian Diaz.
My name is Ulysses Cava. And for our CSP project, we did Mission to Mars. Our topic was energy, so we decided to use solar panels to make up for the lack of energy on Mars.
For our project, we decided to use a solar bank, a mini fan, aluminum foil, and plastic wrap to test out different scenarios that could prevent the efficiency of a solar panel.
To test the solar panels with Mars conditions in mind, we used aluminum foil to test if we can redirect the energy of the sun to the solar panel without losing its efficiency.
Okay.
One of the methods used for protection from dust storms is plastic wraps. So we imitated that by putting wraps on our solar panels.
To begin with, the specific technology on our panels used is the photovoltaic method, which converts light, which are photons, into electricity, which are electrons. On Earth, we have a solar irradiance of 1,000 watts per meter squared. Solar radiance is simply the power per unit of area that the sun gives off. On Mars, it is only about half of this, which the max being 590 watts per meter squared. Later, I can speak on how this affects our own experiments data.
I will be talking about the chemistry behind solar panels. Solar panels are made up of solar cells, which are made up of silicon. We have the N-type silicon layer, the delocalized layer, and the P-type silicon layer. In the N-type layer, we have silicon and phosphorus, and the P-type layer, we can have silicon and boron. So essentially, the panel absorbs sunlight, and that's how electricity is produced.
So for my part, I'm sports, exercise, and health science. And although solar energy is very important when it comes to solar panels, it's also very important when it comes to your body, as sunlight can boost the ability to supply your body with vitamin D. And it's shown that low vitamin D could cause bone pain, muscle weakness, and muscle pain. And it's also shown that higher vitamin D can help the prevention of cancer. Sunlight helps boost your serotonin levels, which is your body's mood control. And sunlight is also just very good for your overall mental health, as lack of sunlight can cause depression.
So for my bio part, through photosynthesis, certain organisms can convert solar energy into chemical energy, which could then be built up into carbohydrate molecules. Cells use energy to perform work such as cellular respiration. Energy is used to hold carbohydrates together and is released when living things break down food.
To conclude, at first, we tried powering multiple electronics, but our solar panel wasn't strong enough to support all of them, so we stuck to a fan on its highest level. Our data from our experiment was, for direct sunlight, the power lasted for 11 minutes and 23 seconds. For the plastic wrap on top of the solar panel, it lasted 10 minutes and 2 seconds. And for the aluminum redirective sunlight, it only lasted 5 minutes and 28 seconds. We can assume that this time will be halved due to the solar radiance being halved on Mars. And that is our conclusion.